Have you ever thought about growing your own gourmet salad greens? Imagine the crisp, fresh taste, the abundant health benefits, and the sheer satisfaction of savoring something you've nurtured yourself. Imagine having a continuous supply of your favorite salad greens right from your backyard or even from your kitchen windowsill. Starting your own salad green garden is easier than you might think. All you need is a spot with ample sunlight, fertile soil, plenty of water, and the right seeds. Location matters. Find a place that gets at least 6 hours of sun each day. Prepare your soil by adding organic matter, like compost, to boost its nutrient content. Now choose your seeds. There's a variety of salad greens to pick from, each with its unique flavor and texture. With the right preparation, you can start planting your salad greens in no time. Now that you've prepared your garden, it's time to plant your salad greens. Start by making a shallow trench about ½ an inch deep. Carefully space your seeds, leaving about an inch between each. Cover them lightly with soil, ensuring they're not buried too deep. Regular watering is key, but avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. Keep a vigilant eye out for any signs of pests or diseases. In just a few weeks, you'll start to see your salad greens sprouting. The best part of growing your own salad greens? The harvest. It's time to reap what you've sown when the leaves are vibrant and full. Gently pluck the outer leaves, leaving the center intact for continued growth. This method ensures a bountiful, ongoing supply of fresh greens. And if you're aiming for a constant harvest, consider successive planting. Simply sow new seeds every 2 to 3 weeks. There you have it. Fresh, delicious salad greens straight from your garden to your table. Growing your own gourmet salad greens is not only fun, but also rewarding. It's a simple process, packed with benefits, and a great start for any green thumb. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!